Okay, now that we're in a thinking rock, let's think. You will help me, right? You will. Great. So what was our first clue? Shapes, right. And our second clue was grass. And our third clue, the sky. So, what could we want to play outside with shapes, grass, and the sky? Well, if we're outside, maybe we could sit on the grass. And look up in the sky. Then what could we see? Maybe different shaped clouds. Yeah. So, if we're sitting on the grass looking up at the clouds in the sky, what could we do?
Find shapes in the clouds.
Find shapes in the clouds.
Whoa.
Brilliant. Blue, is that what you want to play outside today? The cloud game?
Whoa.